In this video, I'll compare Philips Sonicare W2 Optimal White and W3 Premium White brush heads to help you choose the best one for your teeth. I've extensively tested both brush heads to provide you with a detailed review. Let's start by looking at their key features. First, let's talk about cleaning performance. The W3 Premium White Brush Head removes surface stains in just 3 days, whereas the W2 Optimal White takes about 7 days. This quicker whitening is due to the Premium White Brush Head W3's tightly packed, diamond-shaped bristles, designed to polish stains away more effectively. In contrast, the W2 features softer, more flexible bristles arranged in straight rows, which are still effective but slower. Next, we need to consider the price. The advanced cleaning capabilities of the Premium White Brush Head W3 come at a higher cost, nearly double that of the W2 Optimal White. For those on a budget, the Optimal White W2 offers a solid cleaning performance at a more affordable price point. Despite their differences, both brush heads share several similarities. Compatibility with most Sonicare handles, auto mode selection for optimal cleaning settings, reminder bristles that fade to indicate when it's time to replace the head. Understanding the Philips Sonicare brush head technology is crucial. Both W2 Optimal White and W3 use high-speed vibrations and contoured bristles to effectively break up plaque and ensure a deeper clean compared to manual toothbrushes. In conclusion, if you are looking for faster whitening and superior stain removal, the W3 Premium White Brush Head is the better choice, though a little bit more expensive than the Optimal White. However, if you prefer a more budget-friendly option, the W2 Optimal White still provides excellent cleaning and whitening over a slightly longer period. Ultimately, both brush heads significantly enhance your oral care routine, making your teeth whiter and brighter. Thank you for watching.